Hello friends, the topic of today's video is infix, prefix and postfix. So arithmetic expression is represented by three notation: infix notation, prefix notation and postfix notation. So in this video we will see how to use this infix, prefix and postfix. Now stack is used for evaluation of this arithmetic expression. Now let us start with infix. So from school days also you are using infix notation. So what is that notation? Suppose if you write a plus b. So this is infix notation. Here plus is the operator and a and b are operand. So what happens in infix notation? There is operator between the operand. So that is called as infix notation. So in infix notation, we have to consider always precedence and associativity of the operator. So let us see why. So if you see here a minus b star c. So here you have to find out what is the associativity or what is the precedence of this operator. So here there are two operators, multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication has higher precedence as compared to subtraction. That's why b star c will be calculated first. Now here again you have to find out what is the precedence, what is associative. So every time you have to find out. So that's why there is always confusion or ambiguity in the infix notation. So but if you do simple calculation, if you assign here b star c, then definitely this will be calculated. But if you write like this a minus b star c, then what will happen in this case? In this case, you will find a minus b is calculated, but scientifically this should be calculated first. This should be calculated first, even though there is bracket. So that's why there is always ambiguity in the infix notation. So so in infix notation you have to again every time you have to remember the precedence and associativity of the operator. Now yeah, the expression may go wrong. So why it will go wrong? Suppose if you write a star b and a minus b star c. So if you do the bracket here, what will happen? This will be evaluated, and in this case this will be evaluated. But scientifically this is the right. So there is the answer may go wrong. That's why there is always ambiguity in the infix notation. Now next is postfix notation. So what happens in postfix notation? Postfix notation is represented by like this. So here operator is always after the operand. So here there is no need to remember the associativity and precedence of the operator. You can directly say that this will be evaluated using this expression. So if you write like this AB or ABC star minus. So here there is no need to again remember the precedence and associativity. Definitely the answer is very simple. First of all, this is calculated b star c, and then answer will be combined. So it will be a b star c minus. So answer will be then combined with this resultant. So this is how the postfix notation is evaluated. So postfix notation is also called as reverse Polish notation. Now what is prefix notation? In prefix notation there is always operator is on or operator is on left hand side. So here again there is no need to remember the what do you say no need to remember the precedence and associativity of the operator. So you will not confuse in case of prefix and postfix notation, but you may get confused in infix notation. Another example is, suppose if you write b or star bc. So here the here expression is very simple. First of all, you have to find out the b star c, and then you will find out plus a. So there is no need to remember anything. So you will not confuse definitely. So that's why postfix and prefix are will not give any wrong answer, while infix may give wrong answer due to your confusion. So but from school days you are familiar with the infix notation. So in case of infix you have to remember Bodmas rule and precedence and associativity. So I also told you stack is used to find out or to evaluate the arithmetic expression. But if you want to find out the answer of infix expression, you cannot directly use the stack. First of all, you have to convert it into prefix notation or postfix notation. Then you can use the stack. So computer always uses prefix notation to evaluate the arithmetic expression. So that is about infix, prefix, and postfix. So I do hope you understand what is infix, what is prefix, what is postfix. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel and thank you.